Welcome, my students. Welcome to my live class. Today, I have brought here the topic laws of indices. It's for the basic level students, okay, especially for the grade 8. Okay, it will be useful for the grade 9 and 10 also, but it is the exercise, okay, it is the topic that I am going to show you here is related to grade 8 students. Okay, here I am going to solve. Okay, one by one here. First of all, there is given. Okay, the number of times. Suppose here is okay. I'm to show you here like this. See here, the number of times. Okay, the number of times the number of times. Okay, suppose there is A is given here. The number of times that okay A is repeatedly. Okay, repeatedly right there. Repeatedly, repeated. Okay, the number of times A is repeatedly multiplied right here. Right here multiplied. Multiplied IET, okay. Repeatedly multiplied, okay. Denoted as, isn't denoted, you can write it denoted as N, denoted as N, okay, is called the index. Denoted as N is called, okay, called the, you can write here the, it's called the index right there, okay. The index here, index. and we write it like this. Look here, so then it is written as like this. Look here, it is written, it is written right here, it is written as, okay, is a to the power n. Okay, right, this a is where a is known as, this a is known as base and this n is known as exponent. Okay, here this a is known as base. Okay, here a is known as base, right, and this n is known as power or exponent. Okay, we write it power also, or we write it exponent. This is exponent. Okay, or we tell it power also, exponent, right. This a is the base and a to the power n, this n is the power, or we can tell it exponent. Okay, this is the, now here I am going to show you the laws of indices. Okay, laws of indices right there. Okay, laws of indices. The first one is here. Look here, children. If you are multiplying, okay, a to the power m, okay, when you multiply this, and this dot means multiply, and this a to the power n, look, bases are same, and if you are going to multiply them, at that time we will write there only one base, and we add their power. Okay, this power is there, index will be added there, m plus n will be there. Okay, this is the first law. Okay, if they have the same base, and if we are going to multiply, write only one base and we have to add the power. Right, this is the first law. And next one is there, division, here number two. Okay, suppose if we are dividing this, okay, a to the power m is there, right, and if you are dividing a to the power m by a to the power n, okay, this division case we can write like this also, in fraction form also, like this. Children, look here, a to the power m, and then divide it by a to the power n, like this. Okay, this division case and this is same. In such case, we will write here only one base a, and we subtract the power m minus n. Okay, like this we subtract the power. This is the second law of indices. Okay, when you divide, okay, the expression having the same base, we subtract the power. Like this we subtract. Okay, and now look here, I want to show you the third one here. Okay, that is the, okay, power law. Okay, and here we know, suppose if there is given, okay, here is a and b. Okay, if these two are kept inside the bracket, this is whole. Okay, This bracket is whole AB, okay? AB are kept in the bracket if there is given their power m, okay? The whole have power, AB has power m. Then while you remove this, okay? Look, children, when you remove the bracket, this power m is the power of A also, and this is m is the power of B also, right? Like this. And here another also I want to show you the next one also. This is also powerless. Suppose here is A by B given, okay, fraction, and if there is given is power m, okay, given there whole power m, and in this case also this m is the power of A also, numerator m. This, okay, numerator A also has power m, and this down this B also has power m, okay. When you remove the bracket, this is the power whole power, okay, that is the power of A also, B also. Like this we remove, okay. And another one here, this is also power one. Look there, suppose look here, A to the power has suppose m, okay, power m. Again it has another power, there is n, okay. In this case, when we remove this bracket, this power and its whole power will be multiplied. Base will be same there, A, and we have to multiply m into, okay, n. That means it will come here A to the power m, okay, n. A to the power mn is the, okay, value. When you remove this bracket, power and whole power, if there is given, then it comes here, okay, like this. This is the another law, okay. Now look here, children, I want to show you the next one. That is the fourth one. Look here, I want to show you here. Fourth one law. Okay. Look at children that I am going to manage this video here, okay? Look at children, I want to show you the next one. Okay, if my video is not coming there, please from me. Okay, I'm looking here. Yes, okay, here it is. Here is the video that I found here. Okay, now look here. I managed the video, and now look here. Now, fourth one, as we know that, seriously, Len, this was the very famous and very common law of indices that we know. If a to the power 0, okay, if there is a to the power 0 given, then its value will come here 1, right? And look why it comes 1, that also I want to show you here. Look, student, in the lower classes, look here, what we did here, I am doing this by the two ways. First, I am taking the example of a to the power, suppose there's 2, okay, a square. When you do a square divided by a square, look, the question is, this is the case of division, right? This is a square divided by a square. In lower class, what we did, children, look, the a square means we did there a into a, right? A into a divided by, there was given another a into a, right, like this. And we used to cancel like this, a cancel, and here will come 1. and this a also cancel, here comes 1. Then when you multiply them, our result came here 1, right? Like this. And now, according to the laws, what we tell this one, look here, while applying the laws of indices of division case here, a square divided by a square, then this the case of division that we did in two number. In that case, what do you do here? A to the power 2 minus 2 you have to write here. Okay, then what will come here? It will come here a to the power 0. Then look children here, the question was same. Here is the same, a square divided by a square, a square divided by a square. But here answer came 1 and here answer came a power 0. Question is same, look there. That's why their answer also we can make them equal. Here answer was there a to the power 0, right? And the answer of this first step was 1. Like this we find a to the power 0 equals to 1. Okay, this is the reason why a to the power 0 equals to 1. Okay, this is the way to find out. Okay, okay children, this is the way to find out why a to the power 0 equals to 1. Okay, let's we find it. I think you are clear about this fourth one. Now look here children, I am going to show you the next one, right? Like this one, see, when there is question given, okay, if there is given any power, okay, negative, see here, for that what should we do? I am showing here fifth number. Suppose there is given one question where there is given a to the power, okay, minus m given, a to the power minus m given, then do not leave the answer in negative. For that, okay, a law tells that when we take it down as the denominator, that negative power will be converted into positive power and here remain 1. Okay, 1 will be in this numerator and in denominator it goes a to the power m by changing it into the positive, right? This is another one, fifth number law. Okay, that means what we understand that do not leave the answer negative. If the negative power is given down, then we can take it off to make it positive. Okay, if there is like this. Okay, now sixth number, look here, I want to show you here. This is also very important, very common while solving the question. Okay, suppose look children, if there is given nth root, okay, nth root of, we have to tell this one in corner one, this like this. Okay, nth root of a given, right? Nth root of a, nth is square root of a. Okay, this nth root, this is the order, and its power, suppose there is nothing given, there is only 1. Okay, in such case what should we do? Look children, when you cancel this radical symbol, okay, this root symbol, if you cancel radical symbol, then we write here 1 by n. Okay, like this we write this order, okay, this n comes below the power of this, okay, number which comes inside this radical sign. Okay, here is a to the power 1, then 1 below there will be n. When you cancel this radical symbol, this is the another law. Okay, these are the very important part, okay, for the class 8 students. Okay, these are very basic things that is needed, which is very important for the grade 9 and 10 also, even class 7 also it is needed. These are the laws, very, very important laws. Inside this corner, whatever value is given, suppose there is given square root only. Here is what here? There is hidden 2. That's why we tell square, okay? This is the square root, okay? Square root. This radical symbol, right? Like this, we have to solve it. I hope you understood this, okay? Laws of indices. If you are clear about these laws of indices, then now I want to start the exercises. Okay, question related to this topic that I want to share. Okay, okay. The questions will be asked like this to children here. Now look there. I want to share the questions from the exercises related to these laws of indices. Okay, here base same multiplying, then we are multiplying. We write only one base and we add the power. Here is also base same, but we are dividing. While dividing, we write only one base and we subtract the power. And here look, AB has whole power m. Then when you remove the bracket, it will be a to the power m and b to the power n. Okay, this is also m. Okay, here is not n. This is m. Okay, this m is the power of a also, b also. Okay, while removing the bracket, and here same, a by b to the power m. That means this a also has power m, b also has power m, and here is a power m, and then its whole power n. Then what to do here? A to the power m into n. Okay, and that means a to the power mn. And here a to the power 0 equals to 1. Why? Okay, that I have shown here. A square by a square. Before we used to do like this, it will come 1. But now, according to the laws of indices, what will be here? We subtract this power, right? And we write a to the power 2 by 2 minus 2, then it will be a power 0. Here is coming answer 1, here is a power 0. That means a to the power 0 equals to 1. Okay, questions are equal, but answer is different here. Both the answer must be equal. Its power is minus m, and when you take it down, it will be 1 by a to the power m. And here is, look at this, the radical symbol, root. Okay, we tell root, this nth root of a to the power 1 given. Then when you cancel the root, then it will come, this order will come below the power here. Okay, if it's 1, then it will come below the 1, there is n. Okay, this is the way to find out. Okay, children. Have you understood these all the laws of indices? Now look children, I want to show you here the questions, okay, that will be asked you to solve related to laws of indices that I want to show you here one by one. I want to clear. First look here, I'm showing here, okay, suppose one number A is asking there, okay, right? If the question is asking there, write the following into the exponential form. Write the following in exponential form. Suppose if there is given like this question, what will you do? Write write the following in exponential form. Write the following in exponential form. Exponential means power form, okay? Write the following in exponential form. Exponential form right there. TIL, okay? Exponential form. If there is given a question like this, okay? Suppose if there is given I number in A number I like this. Suppose there is given 3 multiplied by 3, okay? Multiplied by another 3, okay? Multiplied by another 3, right? Like this given. Then we know that this all the bases same, right? Only one base, and we add the power here. If there's nothing power, 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1, it will be there. All added, then it will be 3 to the power 4. This is the exponential form, this type of question. Okay, suppose there is given question like this, okay, 81 given. Then for this question, what you have to do, look children, for them we have to here factorize, okay? Like this, I 81 and factorize it. It is divisible by 3, then 3 2 ja, and 2 less 3 is 7 is 21. Then we can do again here 3, right? 9 ja, then again we can do here 3 3 ja, right? Then here we have to do now 1 2 3 4, that is 3 to the power 4, because there are 3 into 3 into 3 into 3. 3 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 3 and multiplied by 3, that means 3 to the power 4. Okay, this is the 81 is expressed in exponential form. This is the way. And suppose there is a given sometime, right? Just given like this, look at B number. If there is given to write in exponential form into product form, okay? Write the following in product form, okay? Write the following in product form. Write the following in product form. Write the following write the following in product form. In product form. Then suppose if there is given question like this, there is given suppose 8a cube, okay? Question is given suppose like this, 8a cube, okay? This is the first question, okay, of this type of question. Then what to do here? We have to write this, okay? 8 8, write this 2 into 2 into 2, that we know already, right? That's why we don't need to factor this one directly. We can write 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2, and a cube means we have to write it now, a multiplied by a multiplied by a. Okay, this is expression power we wrote in product form. Right, students? Sometimes there may be given like this, look, two number. What to do then? If it is given like 6 to the power 4, If it is asked to write in product form, then what to do here? In this case, you will write as 6 multiplied by 6, okay? Then multiply by 6, okay? Multiplied by another 6, okay? Like this, we can write 6 to the power 4 means we have to write like this in product form. And now look here, sometime the question related to this laws of indices, if there is given like this, what will you do? Okay, if it is asked to define, okay, what is index that I have explained in the previous one. Now, if it is asked to write multiply, what will you do in such case? Look there, x to the power 3 given, suppose multiply given. Okay, multiply, right here, multiply. Okay, if there is given multiply and writing here x to the power, okay, 3, and it is multiplied by x to the power 2x, suppose. Then we have to use here the same rule I told. Both the bases are same, then write only one base, right? Okay, write only one x there is, okay? And this x to the power then it will be 3 plus 3 plus what will be there? This right here 3 plus 2x, okay? Write only one base and power is added there, okay? And if there is given like this, what to do then? In the same case, multiply 1. This is one number. And suppose there is given two number like this. What will you do in such case? Look, here is given a to the power 2a, right? A to the power 2a given. And here is given 2 to the power 3. Okay. In this case, what you have to do, look, Ellen? In this 8 means we know to cube, right? And its whole power is there already given 2a, right? And this whole power and this inside power will multiply. And right here 2 to the power 3a. Then here what to do? Here will be 2 to the power 3 to the 6 will be there now. Power and whole power is multiply according to law, this and this multiply. Then into there is multiplied by 2 to the power 3, right? Then if we are going to multiply, write only one base and add the power now. 6a plus 3a. Then answer will come here, children. 2 to the power 9a. This answer. 2 to the power 9a is the required answer for such type of questions. Okay. Okay, I want to give you the next type of question, okay? Of this one, there's ABC. Now I am going to give you here. And to see there is D, okay? Now D type question. Questions like this, look, excellent. Divide, okay? Question is given there. Divide. Okay, write the divide. Divide, right? If the question is given like this, 2 to the power 3x, right here? 2 to the power 3x. Okay, and it's divided by 2 to the power x only. Right, here is a base 2, here is a base 2. Then we need to write only one base and we subtract this power, okay? This will be 3x minus x. Then when we subtract them, answer comes here 2 to the power 2x, right? This is the answer only, okay? And sometime look here, similar question here is divide one number. This is okay. Then I am showing here two number. In this condition, what will you do? If there is given 4 to the power 2x, okay? 4 to the power 2x and divide given here, but here is given 4 to the power 3x, right? In such condition, what happens, look children? We write only one base and we subtract their power 2x minus 4x, okay? Bases are same, that's we subtract the power. And right here, what will be? 4 to the power minus 2x, right? And as I told in previous laws of indices, if the power is negative, we have to take it down and write it positive, okay? And up numerator remains there 1. 1 by it will be 4 to the power 2x, this is the answer, okay? Right? Like this convert into positive. Negative power, then take the power down, okay? Then it will be positive here, right? Now look children, if it is asked to find the product of, there is given a number, if it is asked to find, right, product of, find the product of, asking product of a to the power m, right, and a to the power n, asking, okay, find the product of a to the power n and then we have to do like this, products means multiply, that a to the power m into a to the power n, right? Then it will be here a to the power m plus n only, add the power, right? Like this, add the power. And sometime what is the value of asking there? Suppose e number, this f number, look here, asking find what is the value of, okay, what is the, suppose there is given what is the value of, what is the value of asking there a x power 0, okay, its whole power is 0. Of course its also answer what will be then we have to write there if the b x whole power, its whole power is given 0, that's why its value will come 1. Its answer is 1, right? This is the way to find out ax to the power 0 means 1, okay? Already I have explained this way in 0 power given, how 1 comes, okay? In previous page I did it, okay? Then now I am going to show you the next one. Look here. Now I am asking there the question to solve, okay? Right? If the questions are given like this, what will you do in such questions? See here. Look children. Rewrite the following, okay, without using this radical sign. Suppose this is given like this question, what will you do? I'm clearing this one. Question is there. This question is given there. Rewrite using, okay. Rewrite without using, okay. Rewrite, rewrite without using radical symbol, okay. Without using radical symbol. Without using radical symbol. Radical means that is square root 1, okay. Root symbol 1, okay. Radical without using radical sign, okay. Sign, and this radical sign means, I told just one, this is the symbol of radical one, okay. If the question is given like this, what will you do? Look children, here I am showing here a number. Look here, for a number, if there is given like this square root 9, okay. And for this, what should we do? Look here children, we know that if there is a square root, then we can write a 3 square, right? And when you cancel the radical symbol here, I told here is hidden 2, here is 2, then when you cancel the root symbol, then it will be here 2 by 2, okay. Then if you cancel this 2, then it will come here just only 3, right? Like this, it's asked to solve here. And similarly, look, b number of the same type of question, what will you do there? Suppose there is given there the cubic root, okay. This 3 determines cubic root is 27 given there, like this. Then we know that when you factorize this 27, this will come here 3 cube, right? Then if we cancel this cube root, what will come down here below this one? There will come here 3. 3 by 3 will be there. Then this 3 cancel. And then here I will come answer 3 only. Suppose the question will be given, suppose like this, then what will you do? Suppose C number there is given fifth root, okay? This radical symbol given here, fifth root 32. Okay, if you don't know about 32 one, you can factorize at the side only here, okay? Right, 32 and factorize here, 216 will be there. Then we can add 2 8 then we can add it 2 4 okay? Then we can do here again. This is 4 then we can make it a little longer. Then add it 2 2 okay? Look how many are 1 2 3 4 5. That's why in place of 32 we can write it now. This is fifth root 2 to the power 5, because here look 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2 and multiplied by 2, it comes here. Then it will be here now. If you cancel the radical symbol, then it will be 5 by 5, right? This 5 and this 5 cancel, and answer is remaining there 2 only. Like this we solve here. Okay, how to cancel this radical symbol? This type of question will help you. Okay, and next question, look here, in laws of indices, just opposite, how to use, okay, write the following using, write the following using radical symbol, just opposite, write the following using radical symbol, write the following Write the following using right there, okay? Write the following using radical sign with the root 1 sign, okay? Radical sign right there, okay? We have to use this radical sign. Suppose there is given a number like this given. Suppose if there is given 3 to the power 1 by 2 given, okay? As I told you in that question 1, first write them is symbol, radical symbol. Here is 1 and this below this what is the 2, then that will come here order, okay? This is square root. Square root 3, that will be answer. Square root 3. If there is 2, then we write without writing this as, okay? The radical symbol, we can write this radical symbol without writing 2 also. That is same. And now look at B number. I want to show you here. There is a to the power. Suppose there is given a to the power minus 1 by 3. Okay. As I told you, if negative power, take it down. Okay. Then it will be here a to the power 1 by 3, right? Okay. And then right here 1 by, change the radical symbol, then what will be a 3. This is cube root a only here. Okay. Like this, we have to change this 1 by 3 into cube root a. Okay. Now look at C number. How to solve this type of question there? If there is given b to the power, if there is given b to the power 2 by 3 given, suppose, like this question asks, then right here, if that radical symbol is used, then you will write here b to the power 2. Okay, this cube root goes here in this corner. Right? This is the way to use the radical symbol of the given numbers. I hope you're clear about this. The use of radical symbol will be like this. Okay. If you have difficult, you can share with me. Okay, difficult question. I can solve your difficulties also here. Ask me. Okay, children. Okay, see here. Now I'm moving the next type of question. If there is given to simplify, okay, this type of question I think you can do now easily. How to use the radical symbol in the given expression on this the way. Now the question is this like this. How to do? See here. Let us simplify. If let us simplify here. In this simplify, what will we do? If there is asked question like this, see here, a number, right? If there is given a to the power minus 2 by 3, right? And in this question, okay, this 2, 8 means 2 cube, right? And its whole power there is minus 2 by 3. Then here is multiplication, that's why this 3 and this 3 cancel. And here remains just 2 power minus 2, okay? And if there comes negative power, as I told you, take it in place of denominator, then what will be here? 2 square. Then write here 1 by 4, like this it will be answer. Right? And look here, I want to solve the similar type of question another also here. Suppose if there is given question like this, there is given 27, given that 27 to the power minus 2 by 3 given, okay? Then what will you do in this case? Look children, 27 means we know 3 cube, right? And write its whole power, what will be this? Minus 2 by 3, right? This 3 and this 3 we can quad because they will multiply. And here remain now here 3 to the power minus 2, and we can take it down. If we take it down, what is remaining of? There is remaining 1, and down it will be here 3 to the power 2. Then answer will come here 1 by 9. Okay, like this we have to simplify this. And suppose here I am solving next type of question of this one. Okay, in this question C number, suppose if there is asked like this, what will you do? 8 by 27, right? And its whole power is minus 2 by 3. If there is given like this question, what will you do? Now right here 2 cube, right? And down right here 3 cube, okay? And here is minus 2 by 3, okay? As we know that here, because then this power and this power multiply while opening the bracket, then it will be here 3 to the power, okay? This 2 to the power 3 into here minus 2 by 3, right? This 3 and this 3 cancel. Similarly, it happens same for the denominator also. 3 to the power 3 multiplied by what is there? Minus 2 by 3 right here. Then this 3 and this 3 also cancel. And here comes 2 to the power minus 2, right? And down comes the 3 to the power minus 2. Then how to convert this power positive, okay? This is 2, right? And now let's change their place now here. This 3 to the power minus 2 comes up, then positive, right? And then this 2 to the power 2 comes down, then positive. Then answer will be here 9 by 4, like this. 3 square means 9, 2 square means 4. Like this we solve this type of question. Okay, now children, look, I am going to show you the next type of question. Write this, okay? Simplified, okay? Equivalent exponent, this one. Expression by using the positive indices. We have to write all the, okay, power into positive one in this question. Question is asking there, okay? Simplify and write, express them into positive one. Simplify one, okay? Question given like this, suppose. Simplify. How to simplify this? While simplifying, we have to convert the negative power into positive power. Okay, that is question asking there. Suppose the question is given like this, what will you do here? Look, I am solving here a number. Okay, the question is given there, x to the power 3, x to the power 3, right? It is multiplied by x to the power minus 4, right? As we know, while solving, we have to write a solution now, right? It was this one. Write question once again, x to the power 3 multiplied by x to the power minus 4, okay? Then we need to write here only one x, then 3 plus what will be here? Minus 4, okay? Then x to the power, what will be this? 3 plus into minus minus here. Then answer comes here, x to the power minus 1. Then negative answer, if it comes, then convert into positive. Take it down, then it will be x to the power positive 1. It means answer is coming there 1 by x. Like this we have to express, simplify and express the negative power into positive power. Look, I want to solve you the next type question, next question here, which is given like this here, children. It's given a square, right? A square x cube, a square x cube, right? Y to the power minus 2, okay? If it's given y to the power minus 2, okay? And down denominator there is given b to the power minus 2, b to the power minus 2, x, then y to the power minus 4, y to the power minus 4, okay? Like this. Then write his solution first, okay? And write the question one more time. Okay, a square x cube y to the power minus 2 is here, and here's b to the power minus 2, here's x only, and here's y to the power minus 4 is here. Let's see the expression having the same base, okay? Here term 1 having the same, this a square only, and x power 3, and down is 1 only. Then when it goes up, it will minus. Here is 1, that's why when it goes up, minus 1. And here is location, and minus 2 is bigger than minus 4, that's why when it will go up, this minus 4 change into a plus 4, okay? Because minus minus plus up. Then when this b to the power minus 2 goes up, what will be there? B to the power 2 will be there up. Then write it a square first, then b square also right there, okay? A square b square, then we can write here now x square, then y to the power, how much is going to do there? 4 minus 2 means here 2. This is our answer of this question. Okay, like this we have to solve the laws of indices question to simplify one. Suppose if there is given question like this, what will you to see? C number it is. In C number there is given, suppose there is given 2 to the power minus 1, right? Minus 1 multiplied by what is it? 3 to the power minus 2. Okay, negative power given minus 2, and there is given 4 to the power 0, okay? It's given 4 to the power 0, we know its value is 1. And while solving, write the questions again here. Okay, children, right here. Then what to do here? Write question again, 2 to the power minus 1, and multiplied by here is 3 to the power, here is minus 2, into this multiplied by 4 to the power 0, okay? As we know, we have to convert into positive, then take it down, positive power, into here also we can do 1 by this 3 to the power 2, then 3 square positive power, and we know it means 1. For the power 0 means 1. Then write it 1 by 2 into 1 by 9. It is 3 square means 9. Then we multiply here. 1 multiplied by 1, it's 1 only. And 2 9s are 18, right? Like this, we have to solve this type of question. Okay, like this solve A, B, C. This type of question, laws of indices. Okay, like this we need to solve. Okay, now I am going to show you the next question. Look there. I want to clear this one, and I want to show you here solving the different next type of question. Right? Here is the question. How to solve this type of question? See, it's also asking to write in exponential form. Okay. Suppose there is given year number. In year number 1, asking this question, how what will you do? Here is 3 to the power 3, 3 to the power 3 into 3 to the power 4. Then we need to write here equals to 3 to the power 3 plus 4. Then answer comes there 3 to the power 7. Okay, like this you have to solve this. And suppose there is given second type question to write in exponential form. Then if there is given p q, right, multiplied by p to the power 6. Okay, then write here only one p. Okay, then power is added, then it will be a 3 plus 6, then it will be answer here p to the power 9. Okay, then third one looks in here. If there is given like this, what will you do? 3p minus 2q. Okay, its whole power there is given 3 and multiplied by this, and another also given there 3p minus 2q. Okay, is also whole power 2, and into here is also given there 3p minus 2q is also whole power 6. Then when you simplify this, look, all the bases are same. Then power is added. This base is here 3p minus 2q. Or 3p minus 2 cube, okay? Then whole power is added at 3 plus here is power 2 plus and the last power is there 6, at the 6 here, okay? Then its answer also will be here now 3p minus 2q whole power 3 plus 2 5, 5 plus 6 here will be power 11. This is answer of this question. If all the bases are same, add the power, right? And suppose there is given like this question for the same one, b number I am solving there 1I, okay, b number I, that means given there 5a square given, how will simplify it? 5a whole square given, okay? Then in this case we have to write this 5 square, right? Open the bracket. Then here will be a square also, right? Then answer will come here 25a square, okay? This is the answer. In number 2, we have to write there 3xy whole cube. Suppose that's given like this 3xy, its whole power, what is given there? 3 given. In such condition, how to solve this? Look here. That power 3 is the power of 3 also, x also, okay, and y also. Upon the bracket. Then if you simplify it, what will come? 3 cube means there 27, okay, and this side same x cube and y cube, okay. And look, children, this may be asked the question like this also. Look there. In such condition, what will you do? Look, there is given bracket that whole 2pq y also, and its whole power is given there. Suppose 2a. That is the power of 2. Okay, that's the power of 2. That's why. Then open it. What will be 2 power 2a? Okay, this is the power given a, right? Okay, at a. Then this also p power also 2a, right? Q power also 2a. Then finally there is y power also 2a, right? Then this 2 square, that means we can add 4, right? 4 to the power a you can add here now. This 2 square, in place of this we can add 4 to the power a, okay? Then p to the power 2a power, okay? Then q to the power also 2a, and there is last one, there is y to the power also 2a. This is the required answer, okay? Like this we have to simplify this type of question. Now look here, student, I want to solve the next type of question also. There is Look here, now I'm keeping here the other different type of question. The question is here number, look here, like this. There is given, okay, this is of C number, okay. Question number C and I, okay. And this I number, what type of question is asked there? Look at 2 by 7, 2 by 7 whole square, one question. Okay, when you remove the bracket, it will be then 2 square will be up, right? And down there will be 7 square. The answer will come here directly. It's 4 and by 7, 7 the 49, like this, right? 4 by 49, right? Suppose if there is asked the question like this, what will you do? See, if there is asked question 2p by q in bracket given there, 2p by q and its whole power there is asked 4, right? Now remove the bracket, then it will 2 power 4 means what? 16, because 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2 4 times. It will be there 16 and it will be p power also 4, and down we have to write here q to the power also 4, right? Now there is given like this third type of question here is, look, I'm showing here only, and question is asked there like this, look, here is bracket and there is 3, okay, and here is into a plus b, this is a plus b, and then here is also whole, this one, okay, this whole bracket, this is upon, here is given 2a plus b, here is 2a plus b, okay, its whole power is given there 5, okay. Then this is the power of 3 also. Then what will come, children? Look there. If we do there, if you multiply by, okay, multiply 3, how many times there? 5 times. Look, what will come? 3 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 3. It comes 243, okay? It comes here 243, and bracket will be right here. It will be here a plus b power, its power also 5 there is, right? And down also there is 2a plus b also has power, 2a plus b also has power 5. Like this you have to solve it, right? This type of question is solved like this. And now look here, d number, I am showing here how to solve it, this type of question. D number I, okay, here is d number I, and d number I there is given, okay, 3 to the power, if there is asked 3, right, and its whole power is given there 2, and we know that the power and whole power is multiplied, then this 3 and 2 multiply, then it will be a 3 into 2, okay. Then what will be answer here? Here will be answer 3 to the power 6, okay. And 3 to the power 6 means what to do? We have to multiply 3 6 time, okay. 1 2 3 4 5 6 time, then it will be 729, okay. Here comes 729 answer, right? Its answer will be 729, okay. And if it is asked to write in exponent notation only, then it's okay, you have to write answer up to here only. Exponent notation means this, up to here only you can write. Then suppose if there is asked question like this, two number, look, I want to show you here, that is asks there 2a cube, here's 2a cube and its whole power 5 given. Okay, in this case how to solve this? See children, here in this question open the bracket, then it will be here 2 power 5, 2 power 5 and a to the power we have to multiply 3 into 5, this 5 is 15, right? And 2 power 5 means we know 2 into 2 into 2, we have to multiply 5 times, that will become 32, right? 2 to the 4, 4 to the 8, 8 to the 16, 16 to the 32, then it will be here a to the power 15. Okay, now let's see here third type of question, how to solve like this. See, that is given there, here is curly bracket, okay, and here is 2 and into x plus y has 4 power, okay, x plus y has power 4, then outside also there is given 7 power, that means that is the power of this 2 also. 2 power 7 means what? 2 multiplied by 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 2, 1 2 3 4 5 6 and one more multiplied by 2. 2 to the power 7 means it comes there 128. Okay, here comes 128. Then x plus power, what will be here? X plus y power 4 7 is 28. This power will be multiplied. Okay, power and whole power. Like this we have to write there 128 into xy, this x plus y to the power 28. Like this we solve like this question. Okay, this type of question is solved like this. Look here, now I want to solve another type of question related to laws of indices. Here, I hope up to here you are clear. Now I want to clear this board. Question is asked like this here. Simplify. Okay. Question asking to simplify. Simplify right there. Okay. Let us simplify. And the question is given like this here. A number, I am doing a number, there is, okay, given three questions. First question is given there. Here x to the power 3, that's minus 3, okay, x to the power minus 3 and whole power also minus 4. Then what will be here location? When you remove the bracket, this minus 3 and minus 4 multiplied will be here plus 12. Okay, power is converted into positive now. X to the power 12 is the answer. This now two number question. Look how to solve. That is given here x to the power minus 2. Okay, here will be minus 2, and if there is y power 3, okay, and then next one is there z power 0, that means we know 1, and its whole power is given minus 1, right? And when you remove the bracket, what happens? Look here, it will be x to the power plus 2. Do you know why? Minus 2 and minus 1 will multiply, and this will be y to the power minus 3 it will be, because plus 3 multiplied with minus 1, and here is z power 0 only, because 0 into minus 1 0 only. Then it will be here already positive with this x square, then we can take it down y cube to make it positive, and z power 1 means z power 0 means 1. Then write answer like this. Its answer will be x square by y is cube. Okay, that's the answer. Now third number is given like this here. I want to show you here third number of a. Third number of a is there what? X to the power minus 2, x to the power minus 2, right? Y to the power 5, y to the power 5, okay? And down there is given x to the power minus 3, x to the power minus 3, this is power. And next one is there y to the power minus 2. Then we know that while simplifying, when the negative goes up, then it will be positive. Write x to the power minus 2 plus 3 will be there, okay? Then y to the power, what will be here? 5. Then this negative minus 2, this one negative 2 goes up, it will be here positive here. Plus 2 here, okay? Then answer will be here x to the power 1, which is not necessary to write. If you don't write also, it will be 1. And y to the power 7. This is the answer of this question. Okay? Now, look here. Now I am solving the next type of question, that is B number. In B number also I am going to solve 3 questions there. Okay, here is given number 1. Like this question. Look at it. Question number 1 is there whole, then square root there is 16, right? And its whole power minus 3 by 2 is given there. Minus 3 by 2. And 16 means we know, right? Then we can open this one. 16 means square root of 16 means what? 4. Actually 4. And its whole power, what happened here? Minus 3 by 2, right? And we know 4 means what? 4 means 2 square, then write it 2 square, then multiply with minus 3 by 2, then this 2 cancel, then here came 2 to the power minus 3, right? And 2 to the power minus 3 means what? You know, we have to take it down, it will be positive 2 cube, then answer comes here 1 by 8. 1 by 8 is the answer here. Okay, so then like this we have to solve this type of question of laws of indices. Okay, see there. Now look, Jillian, next question. And of this B type, I am going to solve here. This is 2 number, okay, B2. Okay, this is the question is given there. Square root 2, okay, square root 2 given there. Then its whole power is minus 3. if whole power is minus 3, then next one is given there. Also, what is given there? Square root 2 also has here also power minus 3. Okay, then when you cancel this one, okay, what will be there? If you cancel this square root, it will be 2 to the power 1 by 2, right? Its whole power is minus 3, right? And similarly, if you cancel this radical sum, there is also 2, then it will come at 2 to the power 1 by 2, okay? Its whole power is minus 3. Okay, then we can write here 2 to the power, it is minus 3 by 2 became, okay? And next also has 2 to the power minus 3 by 2 became, okay? Then what happens here? Right, 2 to the power, it will be minus 3 by 2 plus base is same, then but here is negative power minus 3 by 2, okay? At the same, then what will be here? 2 to the power, it will be here minus 3 minus 3 minus 6 by 2, right? Then 2 on the 2, 2 3s are, then it came here negative 3 to the power minus 3. Then we can write it by taking down 1 by 2 cube. It means we have to write here 1 by 8. 2 cube means 8. Like this we have to take it down and write it in positive. Okay, that we did the next question, that was okay. This is the answer now. See here children, I want to solve here next type of question. What will you do here? I think you understood this. Now see children, I want to give here this type of question, this third one. See here, how to solve in this case. I'm showing here that is cubic root 27 has given cubic root 27. Okay, it is multiplied by 4th root 81. Okay, has given 4th root 81. For this, what we have to do, see, we know it is 27 means 3 cube, right? And we know it is 81 means what? 3 power 4. When you cancel the root symbol, then what will be? This 3 goes below this 3, then it will be 3 power 1 only. When this 4 goes here, it will be also 3 power 1. 4 divided by 4 it will be. Then its answer is 3 power 1 plus 1 power added. Then right here 3 square. This 3 square means what is this? This is 9. Okay, here is 3 square. This is 3 square, okay? And this answer will come here 9. 9 is the answer for this question. Like this we have to solve such type of question, okay? Okay, okay, look, I'm solving this next type of question, that is here Okay, one of the students is okay. Chachari Dobry, okay. Please in comment one you can put the question, okay. That one I will help you for your difficulties. Okay, Chachari Dobry. You are asking me how to solve the cubic equation, okay. Please you put the question there so that I will help you to solve that question. Please show you. Show me that one. Show you difficult question. Wherever you are facing the difficult, please put the question there. Question, please. We can solve that cubic question also by the different ways. Put the question that's so that I will help you for the solution. Look, now I am going to solve here the same that is, but that is a C number. Okay, I'm clearing this a C number. I am solving C number 1. Okay, in C number 1, the question is given there first, that is square root x to the power 4 is given x to the power 4 and y to the power minus 2, y to the power minus 2 given. Okay, this is minus 2 and this is multiplied by anyone? No, it is only. Then in this case, first of all, we know its solution this 4 by 2, it will be here. If you cancel the root symbol, there will be 2 and it's y to the power also minus 2 divided by 2. Okay, square root cancel, that's why when you cancel this one 4 by 2, then to come here x square only, right? And here comes y to the power minus 1. Okay, like this we find the negative power, that's why right here x square by this is square. Okay, x square by y power 1, this positive. Okay, now similarly look second question also I want to solve here, which is like this here. This is given square root and again there is also square root inside this. Okay, x to the power 4 there is. Okay, there is x to the power 4 given here, x to the power 4, right? And there is next expression also given there, and this is into x to the power, this cube root. Okay, cube root x y square, there is given x y square. Okay, here is, and this is multiplied by next term there is, that is also cube root, this is also cube root x square y. Okay, x square y. In this case, how to solve? Look, children, first cancel this one, what will be here is 2, no? That's why it will be like this, square root x to the power 4 by 2, right? When you cancel 4 by 2, then it will be here also 2, right? Then it will be here now square root x square only here. Then again here is 2, right? When it is cancelled below 2, it comes here like this, x to the power 2 by 2. Then we cancel this and this 2 and the 2, here will be 1. Now look, here's same thing do here, x to the power, here's 1, right? That's why it will come here 1 by 3 and y to the power this 2 only, that's why it will be here 2 by 3. There will be 2 by 3. Now here multiplied by x to the power 2 by 3 will be here 2 by, okay, I'm writing here again this question, okay? This question looks children. The question was like this, look. That was two number, okay, of C. That was C number 2. And question was like this, look. Double square root was there, and inside this there was x to the power 4, okay, and into there is cubic root, okay, and inside this cubic root there was x y square, right, and here into, then we can write here cubic root x square y, okay, right here x square y. Then look children, what you have to do here, when you solve this, when you simplify this, it will come here x to the power, this 2 root cancel, then it will come below this power, okay, 4 by 2 it will come here, then this also cancel, then what will come here, 2, then again root this cancel, that will come here x to the power, this is 2a, this is 2, okay, this is 2 to the 4, then here came square root x square, okay, then here is coming now, okay, cube root cancel, then it will come here x to the power 1 by 3, right, and here y to the power 2 by 3 will be there, and here x to the power 2 by 3 right here, right, and here y to the power also this into sign, okay, and here is also 1 by 3, okay. Now if we cancel this one, look, x to the power 1 by 3, 2 by 3, what will be this, we can multiply this one, okay, this is multiply sign, and x to the power 1 by 3 added with there 2 by 3, okay, same here 2 by 3 and 1 by 3 added into his y to the power, we have to add 2 by 3 plus 1 by 3 power added while multiplying. Then here also cancel this children. X to the power, what will be this, 2 by 2. Here is 2 to cot. And what is coming here? X to the power. If you add this, 3 by 3 will come. 3 by 3. And multiply by here is coming also y to the power 3 by 3. This also cancel, it will be 1. This also cancel, also it will be 1. And here also cancel, here also 1. Right? Then what happened here? This power 1, this power 1 added, then it will be x to the power 2 x square, and this y power 1 only. Like this we solve this question, okay. Number C 2, that is of, okay, x square y is the answer here, okay. Now look here, I want to solve the different question that is of C number 3, okay. Look children, how to solve this. It is given here x to the power minus 3 by 2, here is minus 3 by 2 will be here, okay. Then there is given divided by, this is divided by y to the power minus 3 by 2, y to the power minus 3 by 2, okay. Its whole power is 6, okay. In this question, how to solve, look, as we know this is the whole power of this and this, then we can solve like this, look excellent, x to the power minus 3 by 2 into what we have to do, 6, okay. Divide means we can add upon y to the power, what is this, minus 3 by 2, there is also this also multiply by 6, we open the bracket, we can cut 2 and 2, 2, 3 ja, and here is 2 1 ja 2, 2 3 ja. Okay, then what happens here? Equals to, then write here x to the power, it's minus 3 and 3, it's minus 9, 3 3 is a 9. Okay, it's minus 9, and down what is this? Y to the power 3 3 is a 9, that is minus 9. Okay, then how to make it positive? Take upper one down, down one up. Okay, y to the power 9, then it will be positive. Then down, if we take x to the power 9, it will be positive. Okay, if we take it down, and we can write like this. Okay, in positive power, y to the power 9 up and x to the power 9 down, then it will be positive. This is our required answer. Okay, and rest of the question of this laws of indices will be made, okay, in the next class. Okay, and today this much only, and please keep practicing mathematics. If you have any difficulties, you can share with me so that I will help you. Please share the question. Okay, share the question, and that I will solve and show you here how we can solve such type of questions, and so that it will be easy for you. Please share the difficult question with me. Okay, today thank you very much. This much only. Okay, we'll see you in the next video. Thank you so much.